Welcome back to English Unleashed, the home of brave learners. Today's episode is not just information, it is an experience, a message, a reminder of who you are and who you are becoming. I'm Tom, and today I want to speak to the strongest part of you. The part that refuses to give up, the part that dreams and keeps dreaming even when the road feels long. Today, we talk about unstoppable motivation. Not the weak kind, not the two-day excitement kind, but the deep kind. The kind that stays with you for years. Let's begin. Part 1. Your journey matters more than you think. Let's be honest. Many people want to speak English, but very few truly commit. Very few wake up, listen, practice, repeat, even when they don't feel like it. But you showed up. You pressed play. You are here. That makes you powerful. Every time you choose English, you choose growth. You choose the future. You choose a bigger version of yourself. Never forget that. Part 2. Motivation is a muscle. Motivation is not magic. You don't wake up every day feeling inspired. Nobody does. Motivation is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. When you practice English, your motivation grows. When you stop, your motivation sleeps. So the key is simple. Don't wait to feel motivated. Act first. Motivation will follow you. Move even slowly. Try even imperfectly. Speak even with mistakes. Your effort creates your energy. Part 3. The 2-minute power move. Here is one of the strongest tools you can use. The 2-minute rule. Tell yourself, I will practice for just 2 minutes. 2 minutes of shadowing. 2 minutes of listening. 2 minutes of reading aloud. Because once you begin, your brain says, yes, I can do this. And you continue. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Small beginnings create big victories. Part 4. Words have power. Speak to yourself strongly. Your voice, your inner voice, can lift you or limit you. So choose your words with power. Tell yourself, I am becoming fluent. I am getting better. I am building my future. I can do this. And say it like you mean it. Because the language you use with yourself becomes the world you live in. Part 5. Repeat after me, strong version. Now, repeat these words with strength. I am not afraid to learn. Now you repeat. I am not afraid to try. Now you repeat. Mistakes help me grow. Now you repeat. I will not quit. Now you repeat. I will become fluent. Now you repeat. Feel the power behind the words. Your voice is your tool. Part 6. Your why creates your future. Everyone learning English has a reason, a dream, a purpose. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to study abroad. Maybe you want to speak with confidence. Maybe you want to change your entire life. Whatever your reason is, hold it close. Remember it. Return to it. Your why is your engine. When motivation is low, your why keeps you moving forward. Part 7. You are becoming someone new. This journey is changing you. You are becoming more confident, more disciplined, more focused, more capable than you were before. Every sentence you shadow, every word you learn, every minute you practice shapes the future version of you. You are not just learning English. You are evolving, growing, transforming, and your future self will thank you. Final message. Listen closely. You are not behind. You are not slow. You are not late. You are exactly where you need to be. Progress is happening inside you even when you don't notice it. Believe in the process. Believe in small steps. Believe in daily practice. Believe in yourself. Because fluency is not for the perfect. Fluency is for those who refuse to quit. Fluency is for you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being here. And thank you for not giving up on yourself. See you in the next episode.